Get jiggy to the country music.
No, I like a better one.
No.
Now you're too close.
No.
Okay, there you
You're
go.
too close.
Well, it's not over 50 times.
That hurt, okay?
Really? It's really tilted. It's really tilted.
I'm looking. You're in the middle. You just like being in the middle.
Now $100 bills and it kills and it thrills like the horns on my Silverado grill.
Oh, this thing's again.
Ain't never gonna be the same.
'Cause I saddle up my horse and I ride into the city. I make a lot of noise 'cause the girls, they are so pretty. Riding up and down Broadway, my old son Leroy and a girl say, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Yup, yup. Save a horse, ride a cowboy. Ha!
Dang about nothing. I'm singing and bling blinging. Now I wouldn't say to Leroy, oh my Chevrolet, yo Escalade, the freak boy.
'Cause I saddle up my horse and I ride into the city. I make a lot of noise 'cause the girls, they are so pretty. That's a Stop being wrong, every girl say, save a horse, ride a cowboy. Everybody say, save a horse, ride a cowboy.
That's what she said in the back of my truck bed as I was getting sucked.
I know the words, I just can't. Come on. Oh. It's time.
Just about as far as she let me go. But
Her evaluation on my cowboy reputation had me begging for some wish all night long.
So I took her out gigging frogs, introduced her to my old bird dog, and sang her every Willie Nelson song I could think of.
We made love and I sang on my horse and I ride into the city. I make a lot of noise cause the girls get so pretty. Riding up and down Broadway on my old Sterling Roy and a girl say, save a horse,
Ride a cowboy.
Save a horse, ride a cowboy. Yep, what? Save a horse, ride a cowboy. Save a horse, ride a cowboy.
Ow! New sponge in my hand. Peace out!